Today on DelphStack, I will show you how to ban people from a Telegram group. First, open the Telegram app on your phone or computer. Go to the group where you want to manage members. Make sure you are an admin of the group because only admins can ban users. Once you are inside the group, tap the group's name at the top of the screen. This will open the group profile. Here you can see the group description, settings, and the full list of members. Scroll through the member list until you find the person you want to ban. If the group has many members, you can use the search bar at the top to type the person's name. When you find the user, tap and hold on their name to open the menu. You will now see several admin actions. Look for the option that says Remove from Group. The exact wording may look slightly different depending on your device. If you choose to ban them, they will not be able to join again unless you add them to the group. That is all you need to do to ban someone from a Telegram group. Thanks for watching.